how to hide a sidebar in Google Slides. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be diving into how you can hide a sidebar in Google Slides. So let's go. The first step is to open your Google Slides and select the presentation that you would like to use. So after select the presentation and you are brought to the presentations page, you can see that on this page you can see a menu, right? You can see the different menu displaying different options by the left side, so you can also see some slides and all of that. So if you want to hide this, the first thing to do is to ensure that you select the slide that you'd like to see. Then after that, on your keypad, click on F11, and as you can see, you enter the full screen mode such that the sidebar or that part has been removed, as you can see on my screen. Or preferably you can just go to the slideshow option and then click on slideshow, and then you'll be taken to the full screen, whereby you would only be focused on the slide that you are presenting, and you would no longer see any other menu or any other sidebars, as you can see here. Then you can go back, right, and to go back to your original states, you can click on your F1 again. But to hide every kind of menu, click on this and you'll be in full screen that way. So this is how it works, right? Yeah, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video.